Hi guys, in this video I will unbox and review the wireless HD headphone by Lumiford. Its MRP is written as Rs.2841 and current price in Amazon is Rs.1219. I got this as a gift for winning a contest jointly conducted by Lumiford and TripTin Adventures. You can check the links for their Insta page in the description box below to participate in future contests if any. Comes in a nice packaging. So let's check the specifications of this product. It is equipped with Bluetooth version 5.0. It has a wireless working range of 10 meters if there is no obstacles in between. Other specifications is also mentioned here. It needs 2 to 3 hours for fully charging. You will get a talk time of around 6 to 8 hours if it is fully charged. Net weight of this product is 184 grams. Model number of this product is 95. Let's see other features of this product. It comes with a FM radio. I think it's a pretty cool feature. Also, this headphone has a memory card slot and built-in mic for hands-free calling. There is also option for aux connection. Without wasting much time, let's unbox and check how the product is. So inside the box we have a unit of wireless headphone, USB cable for charging the headphone, aux cable, warranty card, and a user manual. Let's check the product features. This is made up of leather. It's very soft. It has a movable headrest to adjust to your head length. And it is foldable. Let's have a look at the functions of these buttons. There is an on and off button. Whenever we turn it on, there is an LED indicator to show the product is on. Next is V plus and V minus button. It serves two functions. Short press on this button is to navigate between songs and to change the FM stations. Long press on these buttons we can increase or reduce the sound. Here we have a play or pause button. It can be used to play or pause the music. Also to attend calls we can use this button. Long press on this button for around 1 second can be used to reject a call. This is the multifunction button. Long press on this can toggle between Bluetooth, FM radio mode and SD card mode. And here we have USB cable port, aux cable port and SD card port. Now let's power on the headphone and see how to pair the device. First we have to switch on the device. Let's turn on the Bluetooth of our phone. Click on Pair New Device. It will show all the available devices. H02 is the name of our headphone. Click on that. Now the devices are paired. Sound quality is good with bass on the higher side. Once you put on these ear wrapping headphones, there won't be any distraction from the outdoor noise. And it fits nicely. If you want to check out this product in Amazon, I have provided the link in the description box. The feature I like the most is that it is collapsible, which makes it travel friendly. I hope you find this video useful. If you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment section below. Also give a thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will see you next week with another video. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching.